Then we are having if condition. Okay. So conditional statements. So a equal to 5, b equal to 5. We have created two variable with the same value. And here you can able to see I have used if. Okay, if I have used elif is nothing but else if. Then we are having else. Okay, we usually call it as if else, and if elif, and then else. So here I have used all the three. So how it will work is, first it will check for one condition. If that condition, it will check. If the condition is true, then it will execute the statement whatever present inside that particular if. Here indentation and all is there. Here you can able to see I, it is starting, right, but print is given little bit inside. So this spacing we call it as indentation, and in Python indentation is very important. Okay, very very important. If you are missing one space, okay, then also it will throw you an error. Okay. So here I have given a condition. So you can see A less than B I have given. This is nothing but a condition. Whether this condition is true or false. So you have to replace that A and B with 5. Then you have to think whether it will return true or false. Definitely it is going to return me false only, because 5 is not less than 5. 5 is equal to 5. So this condition became false. So it is not going to execute this print statement. Then it will go to the next condition. If I want to check multiple condition, then I will use this elif method. Okay. More than one condition means we have to use elif. If only one condition I'm going to check, then no need of this elif. Directly I can give if, and then I can give else. The order is also important. I can't give if, else, then I can't give a elif, or I cannot give elif separately. It should be in an order. First if should come. If that is failing, then I will check the other conditions. So how many elif you need, you can give. Okay, 100 elif condition also you can give, no issue. Then finally we have to give else. For else, there is no any condition. Okay, we should not give any condition. Else means it's like default. Okay, if all condition fails, then do this. That is what else means. Okay, here if you see means I have given elif a equal to b. Whether the condition is true or false. Here the condition is true because 5 equal to 5. Condition become true. Then what it will do is it will start printing these three print statement. A is equal to B, A is not less than B, A is not greater than B, like that it will print. Whether it will print the else statement, no, because any one condition, all three are like group. Okay, group. In that any one condition become true also, it will skip all the remaining conditions. It will directly move on to the next statement.